What is the STEM by Design approach? There is growing recognition about the need to better teach STEM skills, such as coding, in the 21st century classroom. In parallel, there is concern that we aren't adequately teaching innovation, creativity, and the arts. Schools kill creativity, as Sir Ken Robinson declares in his now famous TED Talk. STEM by Design brings together these two critical elements of STEM and creativity. So how does it work? Let's begin with design. We put design thinking front and centre. In each project, every student will bring all their creativity to design a unique solution to the project challenge. Next, motivation. Research is clear that students learn most effectively when they are engaged and motivated. Whether it's a polypropylene lamp, a light-seeking robot, a music video, or an app they've coded, the goal is the same. 100% of students fully engaged in the project. Differentiation. A great project will have students at every level being pushed, challenged, and ultimately having success. Not just challenged regarding lower order skills and content, but challenged regarding higher order skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. As teachers know, this is tough when you have 30 diverse students. Sequencing. It's nice to create one great project, but that's not enough. Schools need a full suite of projects across several years in order to see students make the gains that are possible. Every project must be carefully designed and sequenced so that they work together as an integrated program. STEM skills. Projects that are strategically designed to integrate the range and the progression of STEM learning that is so important in the 21st century classroom. By maintaining the high levels of motivation and keeping the making element of the project quite short, we have plenty of time to spend learning and practicing STEM skills and absorbing the domain knowledge that relates to each project. As you have gathered, creating a great STEM by Design project isn't easy. However, once created, they are not difficult for teachers to deliver in their classroom. Each project comes with everything a teacher needs to have success. The programs, teacher notes, student activities, homework tasks, classroom videos, and project materials are all ready to go. We also provide professional development to help schools and teachers adopt the STEM by Design approach. Our team includes some of Australia's most inspirational and accomplished educators and some of Australia's most successful education companies. So are you interested to hear how STEM by Design might support your school? Please visit us at stembydesign.org.au. Thank you.